Good morning, Pioneer Nation, and happy Friday. This is Megan Renihan with the Pioneer Update. Pioneer Update is brought to you by Citizens Bank. They are people first, and that's fabulous because here at the Batesville School District, we are students first. Speaking of students first, I have two wonderful kiddos from our West Elementary campus. Good morning, Jaynee, and good morning, Kenley.
Good morning.
We're so happy that you're here with us today. Are y'all both excited?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, wonderful. Well, Jaynee, why don't you kick us off and tell us about what is going on at West Elementary?
Brian Skavnak, Be the Nice Kid Assembly, Monday, May 6th. Brian is coming from Minnesota to encourage us to be the nice kid. He reminds us that even though we may not be good at everything, we can all be nice. You can visit BeTheNiceKid.com for more info.
Wonderful. Well, that sounds like that's going to be a really fun assembly, and I love that we're always pushing kindness. Yeah. And then, Kenley, what about you? I know you've got stuff on your agenda as well.
There's going to be a senior walk on May 9th at 1:30 p.m. Former West students who are graduating will come and walk through West to celebrate their graduation. And also, the kindergarten celebration will be on May 16th. Branscom's children will be celebrating at 9 a.m. in their room. Miss Hughes' children will be celebrating in her room at 10 a.m. And Mrs. Pam's children will be celebrating in her room at 11 a.m. Mrs. Hartman's children will be celebrating in her room at noon. And Mrs. Fleetwood's children will be celebrating in her room at 1 p.m. The last day for all of the children is May 22nd.
In addition to the update, we also want to give a special shout out, don't we?
Yes.
We want to give a special shout out to Kristen Johnson.
We're letting you know that we're all thinking about you, and we hope you have a good summer and hope you get better.
Perfect. That is so sweet, ladies. Everyone has just got Kristen on our minds today and every day, and we cannot wait until she's up at the junior high to experience sixth grade with us. That's going to be so wonderful. Jaynee and Kenley, thank you both so much for coming in and giving us an update of all the great things going on at West Elementary. We hope that you both enjoy the rest of your school year and always know that you can come back and see Miss Megan, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
All righty. And as we like to say, it's always a great day to be a pioneer.